And welcome back to Keep It Simple Soccer Training. Alright, you guys, what you're looking at here is another dribbling type technique circuit, which ends with a 1v1. What you'll notice is there's actually 4 circuits set up here, so we'll go ahead and show you all 4 circuits that are set up. This first circuit is basically a couple cones spread apart, just to mimic maybe the legs of a player, allowing the boys to just be creative. You know, knock the ball between or around the player, go around the opposite side of the cone, and take the last defender on one-on-one. One of the things we want to make sure that we do here is when they take that defender one-on-one, you drive directly at that defender, you make one move, and you go. You'll notice that a lot of the boys are trying unnecessary tricks and things and getting caught up and getting turned around. Throughout this exercise, I stress to them, you make the one move and you go around. And the reason for that is you never want to give a player a second chance to get back at you. You know, once you beat them, and you go on to goal. That was an excellent example right there by that young man that just made that move. He made the one move, he went around, and he went to goal.
You make your move and take off.
Let's go, everybody rotate one to the right.
This is too much.
Rotate one to the right, let's go.
Take off.
At the end, you understand? Okay, so where we Oh, you just have to put it between the cones and then you go on the outside of the cone and then you take the player off. Watch, I'll do it first. Yeah. Ah! I didn't know you You played through and go back. I know.
Get on the yellow line.
Hey, coach. You see this thing go right out? Almost had my face there, Anthony. Damn, go fall through there.
Alright, as you see, now we're moving on to circuit number 2. That's the one in the middle of your screen there. The only real difference, you see the 2 red cones set up there, is this one mimics a player driving down a sideline. Okay, you're driving down the line, you have a defender to the inside of you, and you want to get to the inside of the field. So what do? Well, when that defender overplays you, you can either cut the ball back in front of them and go around them. You cut the ball back and step back and allow them to continue forward and then cut the ball inside, or you knock the ball in between their legs as they come at you, then you step back, allow them to come through you, and then go to the inside with the ball. So we'll watch this next player as they move through this exercise. So the player pushes up on his left, he pushes the ball to his left with the outside of his foot, steps back around the cones to the inside, regains the ball, and then takes the player one-on-one. So that's what we're looking to do here.
Oh! Whew, hard stopper. Can't play with these shoes, huh? All about the shoes, huh? Come on, Simon, check this bed.
Primero.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Okay?
Yeah. You good? Yeah.
Don't trip him, Sammy.
I didn't trip.
Quebraste el piso.
Hey, the ball has magic power. That's all it is. It's all your fault, ball.
Alright, so now we move into circuit number 3. In circuit number 3, you'll see a red cone down there, and what they're basically doing is just working on inside of the foot dribbling. So they're going to circle the cone 3 times. Make sure that your players are working both the left foot and the right foot, so they're circling that cone 3 times, and then they're taking the player on 1v1. So again, just working basic technique, trying to hit some different parts of the feet, and really the goal here is to get the kids comfortable on the ball, because that's really all that matters. I mean, these kids are 13 years old. They need to they need to be exposed to the ball, then and then more ball. So that's the goal of these sessions.
Good idea, Ian.
Alright, so now we move on to circuit number 4, and what you're looking at now is a basic outside of the foot technique. There's a cone down. The players are going around that cone 3 times with the outside of their foot, and then they're engaging with the defender one-on-one to make that quick move and to go around. So those are our 4 circuits that we did. Each circuit we spent about 5 minutes on with the boys for a total of 20 minutes for this technique session.